2011 to 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee and Dodge Durango wheel brake replacement. Let's start by compressing our caliper using a screwdriver like this, and let's remove the caliper bolt. It is Allen 7mm. It's best if you use 8mm ratcheting wrench with it. You put it as I just showed you, and we're going to break the bolt free. There it is. I couldn't put the electric ratchet in there because not enough space. So now let's remove our anti-drag clip. Make sure you save them because the new brake and roller a lot of time doesn't come with them, so you have to reuse the old one. Let's compress our caliper. There's the old brake pad. It's in pretty bad shape. Now let's remove our caliper bracket bolt. It is an 18mm. Use our caliper bracket. Use a hammer like this and hit the roller so it can break free from the hub. Use a wire brush like this to clean the hub a little bit. And clean out the caliper bracket. I'll put the link for the parts in the comment section below. That's the dust seal, don't forget to put it in use our caliper bracket or a new brake pad. You need to clip that one in the caliper. It's spring loaded. Make sure you need some effort to push it, be pushed in. There it is. Caliper is in place. Put our caliper bolt cap back on. There it is. Vehicle's good to go. Let's put our clip. You put the two ears, the smaller one. I'll put them in first and use a screwdriver to pry it off, and so it can be pushed in because it's under pressure. You need I couldn't really show it. You need two hands to do this. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one.